wanted to do that myself.
You did? You're tempted to do it yourself, huh?
I thought, you know, the fingernail clippers would work great.
Ah!
My head perspires a lot.
It does.
So I wondered if that's why I keep getting these little growths on my neck.
They just happen, I think. They just get, maybe because of the way our neck bends and it gets kind of caught up a little bit in that area. So, you know, you get more.
Well, when I say perspiration, I mean it runs,
you really sweat.
runs down my head and face.
So not a good poker player there, huh?
No, I definitely wouldn't be. But I get it when I exert myself or...
We live close.
Do you?
Yeah. You live out here too, don't you?
I do.
I like it.
USC for radiation for weeks.
Oh, that's a long trek.
Yeah.
She's rolling her eyes too.
2 months. Oh, God.
Yeah, a little chemo and stuff he's getting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's all
Doing
done.
really well though, huh?
Yes, we're blessed. Yes.
Sorry, a little pressure.
Okay.
Come on, little suckers. Most of them. Sorry, pressure.
It's okay.
Just I gotta come back and work on it again. Good. Okay. You're trying to give it a feel first and see if there's anything over there.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, I appreciate this so much.
No problem. Come on, little one. This one wants to come out. Come here. Did I get all of that one, Christy?